Hello, it's Joby from OMC Kia in Oldham. Here today I'm showing you our ex-demonstrator Kia Ev6 GT line, finished off in Runway red. The car has 17,001 mile on the clock. This car was registered on the 29th of September 2023, so as long as you keep this vehicle up to service schedule, you'll have warranty until September 2030. So the EV6 holds a maximum charge capacity of 390 miles. Comes with some great features which include 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, black finish power folding wing mirrors, front and rear sensors, and also a reversing camera. So as this is an electric vehicle, we can offer 7.9% APR. You'll also get the protection pack that comes with our Kia assured vehicles, which includes 1 year AA relay breakdown cover, 24-hour Kia Care Assist, a £250 excess voucher, and proven 160-point checks on the vehicle. Inside, you've got a lovely dual cluster infotainment and digital display, which has features like satellite navigation, Android and Apple CarPlay, heated seats and heated steering wheel, reversing camera, and this car is also fitted with the heat pump, as you can see, just with its air conditioning controls down there. Also has a multi-function steering wheel which has cruise control, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping and speed sign recognition. This car is here ready to view and test drive, or if you would like any more information on this car, give me a call, ask for myself, Joby Knight, on 0161 287 4141, and I'll be here ready to look after your inquiry. Thank you.